How is the reverse carry trade going to affect XRP? It's exactly what we're talking about in this video. Right now, we're watching what feels like a ticking time bomb forming in the crypto markets. And a lot of people are wondering what this could mean for XRP's price. In this video, I'll break it all down and also talk about a couple of exciting developments you definitely need to know about. As always, thank you so much for supporting this channel. Seriously, everyone who likes these videos and subscribes, it means the world to me. Those two simple actions help more than you think. With that said, let's jump right into it, and I hope you enjoy the content. So, before I get into the reverse carry trade topic, I want to start this video with something a little funny. I know many people came here just for the carry trade discussion, but I want to show you something that, in my opinion, feels like a little slap in the face to Bitcoin maxis. Most of you probably know Gary Cardone. I'll hold off on judging him, but he pointed out a post about the first onshore, US-based derivative market for crypto opening under the CFTC. Gary reposted it and wrote, "Probably nothing," which we all know is a sarcastic way of saying, wow, this is a big deal. And he's not wrong. Having an onshore derivatives platform for institutions to finally engage with crypto is huge. But here's the funny part. Gary is a massive XRP and Ripple hater. And what he probably hasn't looked into is that the company he's talking about, Bitnomial, is tightly connected with Ripple and XRP. Ripple actually led their last funding round, and Brad Garlinghouse is on their board of directors. So I replied to Gary saying, just wait until Bitcoin maxis find out XRP will be used as collateral for this CFTC-regulated derivatives exchange. Now technically this hasn't been officially announced yet. Is almost certain XRP and Roused will be used as collateral on that platform. Okay, and honestly, it's going to be the ultimate slap in the face to Bitcoin maxis. They hype up anything that doesn't have Ripple's name on it, calling it bullish, groundbreaking, amazing, and later discover Ripple is behind it. I guarantee, once they realize Ripple's name is all over this, they'll switch up and suddenly pretend the exchange isn't a big deal. And that just proves my point. They aren't actually thinking logically. They're anti-XRP simply because someone told them to be, not because they understand anything. So long story short, be careful who you follow, and be careful what news you take seriously. A lot of experts in this space aren't really experts. Now let's move into the Japan reverse carry trade, because everyone's talking about it. A lot of you asked for my take because Jake has been covering this heavily, and people want to know what I think about the reverse carry trade unwinding. Let me start here. When you have a big macro event like the Japan reverse carry trade, smart people identify it early. Jake has been talking about this for a long time, and honestly, he's been spot. It has played out almost exactly how he said it would. And here's the part people are misunderstanding. Just because the reverse carry trade hasn't caused a huge liquidity shock, yet doesn't mean it hasn't already been draining markets for months. If you look at XRP's chart, XRP is down nearly 50% from its high. A lot of that pressure is absolutely connected to the reverse carry trade unwinding. Institutions knew about this early. People like Jake, who were ahead of the curve, were preparing long before retail. So yes, we could still see a flash crash or liquidity spike down. But honestly, we're already pretty deep into this event. Markets have been pricing this in for a long time. This isn't a sudden black swan like we've seen in the past. This is important. Events like this don't jump out of nowhere. Markets smell them early, react early, and price them in ahead of time. That's exactly what we've already seen in XRP. If you look at XRP's oversold levels, XRP is at record oversold territory, the same levels that previously led to 600% and 130% pumps. That's because the market is simply undervalued right now. Oversold conditions eventually revert back to normal, and usually positive catalysts take things even further. So the takeaway is this. Just because the event hasn't hit its dramatic climax yet doesn't mean the market hasn't already reacted. We might still get one more hard drop, especially if something unexpected pops up. But unless something genuinely insane happens, a lot of the pain has already been priced in. Remember, when a catalyst is widely discussed, widely expected, and widely monitored, it's not a true black swan. Everyone already knows it's coming. Honestly, in the long term, none of this will matter. 5 to 10 years from now, no one will talk about the reverse carry trade. People will be talking about Ripple dominating payments, liquidity, stablecoins, treasury solutions, and prime trading. It's just like Apple investors don't care about 2008 anymore. Just like no one cares about 2018's tantrum. or even the chaos of 2020. Markets always do the same thing. Big fear gives temporary cheap prices, gives massive growth afterward. Markets are forward-looking. They price in fear way ahead. Most people accidentally react late and make the wrong moves. So yes, we may see more volatility. Yes, things could get scary. But no, this is not going to surprise the market the way people think. And honestly, it's even possible we already hit the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this update. Have a great weekend. And for now, nickel out.